Hi, my name is David Nero, CEO of Sonavex. Sonavex's first product, EchoSure, unleashes the power of ultrasound to detect potentially catastrophic postoperative blood clots. There are 500,000 procedures each year that involve transplanting tissue or rerouting blood vessels. These procedures have the power to transform patients' lives, but with any good story there's a catch. In up to 15% of cases, there's a risk of a postoperative blood clot. The good news is if we detect the problem early enough, surgeons can go back into the operating room to salvage the procedure. Unfortunately, due to the delays in current monitoring modalities, half of the time it is going to be too late. This newly transplanted tissue is now dead, must be cut out and thrown away. You can see why surgeons have been demanding a better technique for decades. The surgeons and the patients aren't the only ones that are upset by these failures. Hospitals are fully financially responsible for the cost implications of these failures, which represent more than $58,000 per instance. Sonavex's solution, EchoSure, detects blood clots as soon as they start forming, rather than once the tissues begin dying. This enables surgeons to go back into the operating room while the tissue is still perfectly healthy and remedy the solution so the patient leaves the hospital perfectly healthy. We've assembled a stellar team to tackle this problem, including 2 professors at Hopkins, one in image processing, the other that runs the ultrasound lab, both whom have formed successful medical imaging companies in the past few years. We additionally have a surgeon who performs these procedures on a regular basis and has received numerous awards. Our market is large and targeting over $680 million domestically and over $1.3 billion internationally across the plastic surgery, transplant surgery, and vascular surgery. Sonavex is proud to say we've raised over $1 million, including government grants and private financing. This funding is going to cover our safety tests to complement our efficacy studies, which we've already performed. We plan to use this money to take us to 510(k) approval of both our implant and our software, at which point we'll do another raise and hit the market. Our team's built to be successful not only because of our proven track record, but because of our diverse backgrounds and experiences, including our lead technical guy who we extracted from Siemens Ultrasound. I'm going to end on something else, and then can I do my last section on its own? Mm-hmm. Sonavex is excited to launch our primary technology, but we also have a secondary one coming up too, where we hope to use our software with 3-dimensional ultrasound for surgical navigation. Sonavex is using our over $1 million that we've raised to date to take our technology through FDA approval and begin sales. To complement this early technology, we are also developing our secondary technology, which is exciting applications across many surgical disciplines for surgical navigation.